So this bottom of 372, I just put a new dipstick tube and dipstick. And trust me, on this 472, this is dipstick. And the tube was $209 motherfucking dollars just for that shit. Fucking Jesus Christ. Anyway, so, cause on the last one, the other tube was right here. It was smacking against this, right here on the tip. You can see it right there. So I had to replace the whole tube, rebuilt the whole motor. And so now, what I do now is I make sure everything is moving without touching. So I'm spinning basically the back flywheel. This is what I'm doing. Spinning the flywheel like this. You spin the flywheel, your harmonic balancer is going to turn. And all your pistons and everything gets shifting up and down. So now, we know what's what. Come on, you old bitch. Kick over. So, there's no smacking. She should get ready for the jacking. All the mechanics, baby.